In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add total labels to stacked bar charts in Tableau. This is a quick process that will greatly enhance the readability and impact of your data visualizations. So let's get started. First, ensure you have the Tableau application launched on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the specific worksheet where you want to add these labels. If you haven't already created your data visual, you'll want to do that now. This can be done by setting up your stacked bar chart so that we have a visual foundation to work from. To set up your visual, drag the sales data to your columns shelf. This will serve as the baseline for our stacked bar orientation. Next, take the segment data and drag it to the rows shelf. This action will break down your bars into different segments for easy analysis. Once this is done, you will want to add some color to differentiate the various regions in your data. To do so, drag the region variable to the color option under the marks field. This step allows different colors for different regions, enabling quick visual distinctions. Now, let's move on to adding those crucial total labels. Right-click on the axis of your sales data. This should bring up a contextual menu where you need to click on Add Reference Line. This is a vital step because the reference line will anchor your total labels to your data visual. At this point, you'll be faced with several options. Select per cell under Scope and then set your label to Value. Doing so will ensure that your total figures are displayed in association with each segment and region combination in your stacked bar. Once these labels appear on your chart, if you prefer not to have a visible reference line cutting across your chart, you can set the reference line to None and then click OK to apply this change. Finally, for some finishing touches, right-click on one of the newly added labels. Choose Format from the menu that appears. This is where you have the opportunity to tailor the appearance of your labels to fit the style and needs of your visualization. You can adjust the font, size, and color of your labels to make them stand out or blend in as desired. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll now have a beautifully organized stacked bar chart complete with total labels that provide clear, easy-to-understand insights at a glance. This enhancement will not only improve the clarity of your data presentations, but also impress your audience with its professionalism and attention to detail. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional Tableau tips and tricks.